Two drivers apparently having an argument on bridge on the highway at 15 miles per hour. Please tell me you were laying on the horn so they couldn't hear each other. Always pay attention when around school buses. Yo, that's fully on the bus driver. They are not supposed to let kids behind the bus like that. Driver gonna get a kid killed. Boston driver has no time for the school bus BS. School buses here now have cameras, and it's $250 if it catches you. If a cop catches you, it's closer to $1,000 in points. Guess Red needs to go. At least he admitted he fucked up. Tried to warn her not to go. Is this lane clear? May, let's roll the dice. Is this milk old? May, probably okay. Is this gun loaded? May, probably not. She got the yeet attitude. Ah, yes, honk back at me because I'm the idiot, right? Following the white dotted lines is too complicated. Yielded a green light to an emergency vehicle and got rear-ended. Person who hit you is definitely at fault. So that's a plus. Still sucks for you though. At least your airbags didn't deploy. He wanted to merge, but he just kissed my butt and left. Let's see. Vehicular assault, leaving the scene of an accident, failure to yield. Anything else that I've missed? Not sure if they were an idiot or if they just hydroplaned, but scary for sure.
Oh my God.
Dude cut me off, then followed me. What an absolute dweeb. I'd be pissed too if I was cursed with his overall vibe.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Why are you chasing down a girl, dude?
Why are you being an asshole?
Why are you trying to cut people off? What the fuck? You chased me over here? You're crazy. You're insane, bro. Go on. Lord. All right, go on. You chased me down, bro.
Driver from Brampton causes accident by turning from wrong lane. That is one grade A idiot. Were they fleeing the police?
Piloted onto the freeway going to Gibson.
Don't tell me how to drive my car.
I gotta go the whole opposite
That guy was
direction
looking
right
for
now.
a fight.
Good job.
Jesus. Now you're just gonna fucking take your time. Take your time, bud. Take your fucking time. Take your time. Take your time, bro.
You didn't even stop at the
I got
stop.
a camera. Let's fucking go. I'm not threatening you, stupid.
We said to
Just
take your
fucking
time.
go. Park your fucking car. What are you talking
Then
about?
learn
You
how
cut
to
me
drive
off,
it
you fucking
properly.
dumbass.
Then actually learn how to drive
You
it.
cut me off,
Get
you
the
dumb
fuck
fuck.
out of here. Yeah, we're ours. We have you on camera
I got
running
the
the
camera,
fucking
bitch.
stop sign, jackass.
I was doing 80. Dude's got a death wish. Hold my brain cells while I pull out into oncoming traffic. This idiot infuriating when they get to drive away unscathed.
You transform them each into the form of
Hello,
a large
I'm
or
idiot.
smaller beast with a
The
challenge
old,
rating.
let's pass on the 3-inch slush at
here's the rub
75
with
mile
that.
per hour.
Because
Move.
Dungeons and Dragons doesn't make any sense. There are no large beasts at level do is elephants are technically a size above large, but I'd like to use elephant stats and say they're large creatures for the purpose of our operation.
That is fine.
Okay. So here are the stats. So how many people is it?
Yeah, no, you ended up with about 100 people.
And so basically how this works, this is like when I do wild shape. So they get these hit points on top of their normal hit points.
And so like when they get to 0...